Welcome to week 4 of Earth Month with the City of Cedar Rapids. Today we will share how you can connect to environmental sustainability while also connecting to neighbors and community updates in the future. My name is Eric Holthouse and I work as the City Sustainability Coordinator, coordinating our iGreenCR Action Plan, which is the City Operational Sustainability Plan, as well as our Community Climate Action Plan. I'm joined today by my colleagues, Jesse Hahn, Athletics Coordinator for Parks and Rec, Jeff Wozencraft, Planner in Community Development, and Phil Plates, Communications Coordinator in Utilities. Jesse, let's start with you.
Starting June 7th, the Roll and Rec Mobile will come to parks throughout Cedar Rapids to offer kids and families exciting games and activities while school's out for the summer. New this year, Roll and Rec Mobile is adding a neighborhood resource center component, bringing community partners along to connect residents with important services and information. At select events, city staff will provide important tools so you can stay safe this summer. Insulated grocery bags, water bottles, and flashlights in exchange for your feedback on our Community Climate Action Plan. Stay informed at cityofcr.com/CRRecmobile or through our Facebook page.
Thank you, Jesse. Now to Jeff. What is important for Cedar Rapids residents to know this Earth Month?
Thanks, Eric. As we saw after the 2020 derecho, having a close relationship with your neighbor can help in tough times. Many of our neighborhoods have neighborhood associations that help foster these relationships through activities like neighborhood cleanups, tree plantings, community gardening, cookouts, mural paintings, and more. Get connected with your local neighborhood association and be part of making your neighborhood a better place this Earth Month.
Great, thank you, Jeff. Now, Phil, what should residents know this Earth Month?
Hey, Eric, there's so much information residents can access using the city's updated mobile app. It's called Mobile CR, and residents can find the latest news, sustainability info, and events, and so much more right in the app. You can download Mobile CR from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. The app puts city news and events, like the latest on the climate action planning process, right at your fingertips. Plus, our new MyCR reporting tool is embedded right in the app, so residents and visitors can report non-emergency issues to the city, things like potholes, burned out streetlights, and overgrown grass. Find everything you need to know to go green with the City of Cedar Rapids in the new city app, Mobile CR. Eric, I'll send it back to you.
Awesome. Thank you, Phil. And thank you for sharing these fantastic Earth Month tips, everybody. I'm going to add one more to the mix. If you have not yet, check out the fantastic Cedar Rapids climate story that we're very excited to share. Cedar Rapids is embarking on an important journey as directed by our city council to build a community climate action plan. And this plan will help Cedar Rapids get set on a path to slash carbon pollution, build resilience to extreme weather events, and support access to healthy food, green jobs, parks, and renewable energy, with an important emphasis on residents who are most vulnerable in our community. Our planning process is underway, and you'll have opportunities this summer to share your feedback. But right now, check out the Cedar Rapids Climate Story, an excellent view into our community's climate hazards, sources of greenhouse gases, and 1,400 citizen responses from our Community Climate Action Survey. This is our climate story to keep writing, so jump in and stay tuned. And thanks again to my colleagues and our awesome community members. We hope you use this Earth Month to get inspired and then keep that inspiration going this summer.